Ito ang mensahe ng past person mo, Aquarius. I wish things could be different. We will be together again. I knew exactly what I was doing. I know I was a distraction from your pain. The timing just wasn't right for us. I want to feel that way again. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. Wanting more for others puts me onto an energy of abundance. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na kung ano yung minamanifest mo na dumating sa buhay mo or yung ina-attract mo, yun yung darating sa'yo. Basta magdasal ka lang and wag sumikapan mo yung gusto mo, yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay na makamit mo. And magtiwala ka sa kakayahan mo na one day makukuha mo yung tagumpay na gusto mo. At itong yung reading, Aquarius,